Top 3 Best 3D Printers for Beginners on a Budget. Links in the description. Number 3. We start with the Creality K1C 3D printer, which combines speed and print quality. Its enclosed design helps with thermal stability, and it features automatic leveling, making it easier to use. Average price, $600. Creality K1C 3D printer highlights. Print volume, 220 by 220 by 250 millimeters. Maximum speed, 600 millimeters per second. Fast bed heating, up to 100 degrees Celsius in 90 seconds. Compatible materials, PLA, ABS, TPU, and PETG. Extras, filament runout sensor and print resume feature. Pros, fast and precise printing. Good compatibility with different materials. Enclosed structure reduces noise and temperature fluctuations. Cons, may be complex for beginners. Slightly higher price for those looking to save money. User rating, 4 stars. This printer is available at a discount via the link in the description. In second place, we have the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max, perfect for those who need a larger print volume without paying much more. Average price, $560. ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max highlights. Print volume, 420 by 420 by 480 millimeters. Maximum speed, 500 millimeters per second. Automatic leveling, 121 points. Structure, sturdy aluminum frame. Compatible materials, PLA, ABS, TPU, PET. Pros, excellent print area for large projects. Automatic leveling makes it easier to use. Stable and durable structure. Cons, takes up a lot of space. Bed heating could be faster. User rating, 4.5 stars. In first place, the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M, which stands out for its excellent balance between price, quality, and ease of use. Average price, $350, but available for under $300 in the link below. FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M highlights. Print volume, 220 by 220 by 220 millimeters. Maximum speed, 300 millimeters per second. Automatic leveling. Smart system. Special features, compact and quiet design. Compatible materials, PLA, ABS, TPU, PET. Pros, easy to use, ideal for beginners. Consistent, high-quality prints. Compact and quiet design. Cons, smaller print volume than the Neptune 4 Max. Not the fastest on the list. User rating, 4 stars. So, what's the best budget 3D printer for beginners? If you're looking for the best value for money, the winner of this comparison is the FLASHFORGE Adventurer 5M. It offers a great experience at an affordable price. If you need a printer with a larger print area, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Max might be the right choice. Meanwhile, the Creality K1C is excellent for those looking for high speed and print quality, but it's a bit more expensive. You can find links to all the products mentioned in the description and in the pinned comment. Did we miss any great budget 3D printers for beginners? Let us know in the comments. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more comparisons and reviews. See you in the next video.